What's going on? What's going on? What is going on? Hey, this is Nori from the Gliding on Twos YouTube channel, and I'm starting this video off bringing it to you from the Tri-State Monument. For those of you who don't know, this Tri-State Monument is where Pennsylvania, New Jersey, and New York all come together, just like the Four Corners. All right. I took a couple pictures of the monument down there, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to ride up to Hawk's Nest and take that route up and bring it to you. So stay tuned. What's going on? What's going on? I'm back on the bike. I just got done filming a little bit the Tri-State Monument, and now I'm going to be going up to Hawk's Nest and give that a ride. We'll see how that goes. Hopefully it's good. So today's weather is I would say a little crispy windy, little cold, little windy. Once again, it's like every time I want to put up the drone, it's windy. So we shall see how that's going to go. So just sit back and enjoy the ride. here at Hawk's Nest. All right, and this is some beautiful roads and beautiful scenery. If you can't see behind me, check all that out. Check that out, man. Look all around. This is some beautiful scenery. It's kind of windy. I don't know if y'all could hear me. I gotta figure out a fucking way for a lav mic on this camera. But anyway, Hawk's Nest, beautiful. Rode up here, show you some of that. I took some drone footage, showed you some of that. Now I'm gonna keep riding these little twisty roads up here, and I'm gonna show you that as well. So, without further ado, let's get it. That's going to be the end of today's video. I hope y'all enjoyed those little twisties and the aerial photography from the drone. So if you like all that stuff, hey, don't forget to like, comment down below, and of course subscribe if you're not already subscribed to the Gliding on Twos channel. And then I'm going to try to bring some more of this stuff for you all. So I'm going to keep heading down this road and see where I find myself at. So what I want you to do is enjoy your ride.